Hello everyone, I am Amardeep from Saluja Contracts, and today we'll discuss 5 things a person must consider while they select a flooring for their any kind of commercial building. So this could be the offices, the showrooms or the gym. We'll discuss about the brand selection, the durability of the flooring, the maintenance of the flooring and actual कौन सी flooring कहाँ पे लगाई जानी चाहिए. So let's begin. So first is, let's talk about type of flooring we have that can be used in a commercial space. काफ़ी सारे options हैं हमारे पास. We can use carpet flooring, vinyl flooring, wooden flooring, tiles we can use, concrete or could be micro concrete flooring as well. So let's start with the carpet flooring now. As you know, काफ़ी popular option है in offices. It's mainly because of its noise reduction qualities. चलते हुए आवाज़ बिल्कुल नहीं आती and it is very comfortable for the underfoot. But carpet are not suitable for the heavy traffic areas. Comes to vinyl flooring, it is very good option. Vinyl comes in various design colors. They also look like wood or the natural stones. Vinyl का फ़ायदा ये है कि it is very durable. पानी से ख़राब नहीं होता. It's very easy to clean, but if you drag a sharp or a heavy object on vinyl, it will tear off. Vinyl is a good option for heavy traffic like corridors or the receptions. Talking about the wooden flooring, this looks beautiful, classic, elegant. This requires more maintenance, but still अगर आप laminated wooden flooring का ध्यान रखोगे, it can work for long times. Long time means it could be around 6 to 8 years as well. Coming to tile flooring, it's a very good option. बहुत durable है, water resistance है, very good for the areas जहाँ पर पानी रुक सकता है. It is very good for that. Now the concrete flooring, it is low on maintenance, polish हो जाती है and it gives a aesthetic look to the floor. Now the second thing is the brand selection. It is very important because the brand जो brand है that also ensures कि आपकी flooring की quality क्या है और उसका life span क्या रहेगा. Now there are some tips about the choosing the brand. See, you have to do a market research where you can compare different brands for any kind of requirements. Take feedbacks from your family and friends about the durability, the customer service or the warranty for a particular brand they have used. It will be easier for you. Now when it comes to reputation, इसको सबसे ज़्यादा importance दूंगा. Go for the established brands who can provide you technical support, give you after sales services also. You can choose an eco-friendly brand as well. ये आपकी building को एक unique edge देगा and this will attract conscious customers. Third is, when we talk about durability, it is the most critical factor for the commercial flooring. See, these are the factors which make or break the things. आप analysis करो कि आपका traffic कहाँ ज़्यादा आ रहा है. The areas like lobbies, receptions में ज़्यादा traffic होता है. So you need to have more durable material. This could be high grade vinyl also. No doubt जब आप एक high quality material लेते हो, आपकी कॉस्ट ज़्यादा होती है. As you know, quality comes with a price. Choosing a high quality material where initial cost is higher, but the durability and the lifespan will make a long-term savings for you. Now, you should check the temperature of the location as well, where the flooring is to be installed, because जब गर्मी आती है या सर्दी आती है, whenever there is a temperature change, though it initiates a contraction or the expansion process in flooring. ये सिर्फ टाइल के साथ नहीं होता. It could be with the flooring, wooden flooring also. So do consider the temperature impact. Fourth one is we talk about maintenance. काफ़ी important part है. जो भी आप overall cost को impact करता है और especially आपकी building appearance को impact करता है. So there are different types of floors need different type of cleaning requirements. Carpet जो को रेगुलर वैक्यूम चाहिए, डीप क्लीनिंग चाहिए, whereas tiles and vinyls they just need simple mopping. Or when it comes to wooden flooring or the laminated wooden flooring, they just need the dry mopping, nothing else. So main point is to understand how actually a type of floor which we clean, which need to be cleaned, and this will 2x your flooring life. Now when we talk about cost of maintenance, इसमें आप consider करो कि आप cleaning supplies, professional services जो भी आप purchase कर रहे हो during the course of time, compare them with the upfront cost of high quality flooring. This will be you will be in better position to decide on the flooring for this. Finally, fifth point, let's talk about the application. Now, where to use what? अगर आप ऑफिसेस की बात करें, use the carpet, use high quality vinyl. This will reduce your noise and will be more comfortable. If you talk about kitchens, cafeterias, यहाँ आप tiles use कर सकते हो, vinyl use कर सकते हो, which are durable and water resistant also. For the lobbies and reception areas, you can use polished concrete. We can use tiles, and somewhere we can also use laminated wood flooring as well. For the restrooms, tiles are the best option. So consider all the factors we have discussed till now, and every building has its unique requirements. So choose the flooring that suits you and your needs. Thank you for watching, and please share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.